How to draw the Tampa Bay Buccaneers logo. We are going to start by drawing the outline of the flag. For this, we are going to draw a long line on the right side of our page that curves a little bit and ends going diagonal. Awesome job! Now at the very top of that, we are going to draw a short diagonal line going to the left that makes a point at the top. Then we are going to draw the top outline of our flag that will curve upwards and then downwards, going across the page that will connect to the line on the right that we drew right underneath the diagonal line we just finished drawing that makes a point at the top. Now we are going to color in that small triangle at the top black. Now we are going to draw the left outline of our flag. For this side of the flag, we are going to draw multiple curved lines that come to points at the edge. Our flag is going to look as if it's waving in the wind. Now we are going to draw a big curved line for the bottom of the left side of our flag. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now we are going to go back up to the top of the left side right here and draw a small triangle-like shape for detail, adding to the edge of our flag. And this will be colored in black. Then from the bottom left of our flag, we are going to draw a long curved line that goes upwards and then downwards, connecting to the long diagonal line on the right of our page. But it is not going to connect to the bottom of that diagonal line, it will connect a little bit below the middle of it. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. We're all done drawing the outline of our flag. Now we are going to draw the handle part. Connecting to the diagonal line sticking out below the right side of our flag, we are going to draw a sideways J-like shape. Awesome! Now in the middle of that, we are going to draw a smaller shape that looks the exact same. Then we are going to connect the top part of the J shapes with a curved line that kind of has a circle shape at the edge. Next, we are going to draw a straight line from the edge of the handle that we just drew to the bottom outline of our flag right here. Then below the handle, we are going to continue that line downwards. And lastly, to connect this, we are going to draw a circle-like shape at the bottom. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw a straight line going from the bottom of the outline of our flag to the top of our handle. Then we are going to continue that downwards below our handle. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now all we have to do is draw the symbol in the middle of our flag, which will be a football near the bottom middle with two swords going out of it diagonally and a skull in between them. First, we will draw the outline of our football, which will be an oval-like shape near the bottom center of our flag. Then inside of this, near the top, we are going to draw a straight line going across with small lines going up and down near the middle of it for the laces of our football. Great job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Next, we are going to draw the first sword. For this, we are going to draw a long diagonal line that's a little bit curved, going from the top left of our flag down to the middle of our football. Then we are going to draw another line just like it, connecting at the top with a point that will go a little bit below it for the bottom outline of the sword. Then where that line and the football meet, we are going to draw a small diagonal line going outwards. Then starting from the left side, there is going to be a round shape like a circle that curves downwards and makes a U-like shape connecting to the football. Then in the center, we are going to draw a half circle shape that will be colored in black. To add a little bit of detail, near the left side of that half circle, we are going to extend the line a little bit. Then we are going to color in the small piece between the sword and the handle and the football black. Great job! Now to finish this sword, we are going to draw a long line going through the middle of the sword that connects from the football and goes upwards, but does not connect to the very end of the sword. Then we are going to draw the sword on the right side of the football that will look exactly the same, but it will just be a reflection. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now all we have to do is draw the skull in between the two swords above the football. We will start by drawing a U shape above the football in the middle that has a little bit of a curved line to the edges of it at the top. Then for the top half, we are going to draw a line that curves inwards a little bit and then curves all the way around the top. Awesome job! Our skull outlines look great. Now we are going to draw the eyes. For this, we are going to draw half circle shapes, but the top lines of our half circle are going to be pointed diagonally downwards towards the center of our skull. Then for the nose, we are going to draw an upside down heart shape that will be in the center of our skull below the eyes. Then we are going to draw the mouth. For this, we are going to draw a U-like shape that will be a little bit boxy across the bottom half of the skull. It will almost look like three sides of a rectangle. Then on the left and right sides of the mouth, we are going to thicken the lines. Then we are going to draw a line for detail on each side for the cheekbones on our skull. Then across the straight part on the bottom, we are going to draw 4 lines going up and down with circles on the ends of them. They will each look just like this. Then across the forehead of our skull, we are going to draw a curved line that curves downwards near the middle of the eyes. And lastly, for our skull, we are going to draw two little detailed lines on either side of the skull above the eyes. Awesome job! Learn how to draw Hub Crew. Now for the final step of drawing our Tampa Bay Buccaneers logo, we are going to go over the outline of the flag so that it is a little bit thicker. This is how to draw the Tampa Bay Buccaneers logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to see more logos in particular, make sure to check out our logos playlist. And if you would like us to draw a logo that you don't see there, then make sure to comment below so that we know which ones to draw next. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.